So my kids' favourite dinner is beef stew with fufu from Afrikan Bite, and they ask for it all the time, but I can't get it all the time. But today I found this instant fufu. So the instructions seem pretty easy, so I'm going to give it a go. And in the meantime, I'm also going to make some beef stew. And I've only got beef mince, so we're just going to have to work with what we've got. So I'm going to do a sweet potato, some potatoes. My sister's getting me some carrot, 500 grams of mince, and a few other bits and pieces. I'll figure it out as I go. Maybe some garlic as well. Looking good. Found this in the cupboard. That will be perfect. Okay, so this says 1 cup is 1 serving. But on the side, it says mix half a cup with 3/4 of water. So there's going to be 5 of us. Maybe I'll do like 3 or 4 cups. 1. I'm going to do 2.5 cups. How many have I done? It seems like a lot. Okay, let's do the water. Okay, it says to gradually add water till you achieve desired thickness. I don't know how much desired thickness is. So I guess I will just, well, it's at least this much. That seems like too much. Oh, that was not gradual. This looks like it's going to be very runny. Oh no, here we go. Okay, it's all good. We'll get more. Oh shit, it's gone hard. Oh no. Oh no, you leave it for 2 seconds and it goes hard. FYI. It's like clay. Ah, what have I done? Oh shit. Okay. It's kind of like corn flour. It probably has corn flour in it, to be honest. Oh no, it's making my thing glitch out. Gotta keep moving it or it goes stiff. That's what I've found out. I feel like I need more water. It said to put it on medium heat, which I have now done, and to knead it until, knead thoroughly for 4 to 5 minutes to get the right texture. Okay, it already looks kind of like the right texture, to be honest. Oh, this is actually really fucking hard work. I'm gonna use this. That's a bit better. God. Oh my God. This is a bit exhausting. This is like the texture right now. It's like Play-Doh. This is really hurting my arm. Okay, it says to mold into a ball and put into a bowl. Okay, I thought it was going to be really hot. It's not. I actually don't know if this is the right consistency. Maybe once it's cooled down a bit, it will be. Should I do it into a bunch of little balls? Yeah. Yeah. 1 for each person. Okay, so I'm going to try this. Everyone else has already tried it and given me their reviews.
It sucks.
I might have done it wrong. I don't know. It's definitely not the texture that I had planned. You know what?
Because of how bad you guys said it was, I feel like it's not that bad.
It's not terrible. See?
No, the texture is
It
pretty
is
bad.
It is that bad.
I think I might have done it wrong.
If you want.
Yeah.
But the soup. Let's see how the soup tastes. Good soup.
It kind of tastes like clay. Like, I've tasted that before.
It does kind of taste like clay.
It tastes like this.
Good soup.